Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are being very productive. I'm getting myself ready because I have a consultation call at like 1:15, and I also need to edit some videos, some content, so that I have something to post this week. Right now I'm just putting on this Mael Organics hair oil in my hair before I slick it in a ponytail, just to protect the front of my hair, because I really shouldn't be putting my hair in a ponytail. As y'all can see, look at my short hair in the front. But we gonna work through it. Okay, I hate loose hair, y'all. But yes, so I am trying to be more disciplined in my life, which has been going decent so far since the year started. Ooh, I need to wash my hair, y'all. What has been helping me stay disciplined is I have incorporated what's called the 12-week year, which helps you break down your goals into quarterly goals as well as weekly goals so that you can reach those quarterly goals. And I would definitely say it has been helping, along with me writing down my 3-year aspirations for what I want to see myself in 3 years doing. So that has been helping, and I feel like that helps with the process to keep me moving. Now, what I have been struggling with is my water intake. I was doing good for about a week, and then I fell off. So I feel like that's the only thing I'm struggling with, and to find a schedule that works for me as well. And still making sure I'm moving around enough, just besides me doing the little workouts during the day, which I've kind of been struggling with that too. So yes, I think I'm about to go ahead and make me a matcha, because we were supposed to leave today, but things happen. I'm trying to learn how to pivot. That is not my strong suit at all. Once I have my mind made up, I feel like that's what needs to happen. So I am trying to learn how to pivot around here. So we got the hair all set up for the most part. Just plop that like that, because you know my hair needs to be washed. Just add a little baby hair action in there. This side always look good. It's the other side that never looks good. Just like that. I think I'm gonna just put on my eyebrows and a little concealer and call it a day, because we just in the house, so we not doing nothing too out of the ordinary where she gonna be like, oh girl, no. So I'm just gonna put on my eyebrows. If you have not watched my video on how to fill in your brows, make sure to go watch that. You know, it's super easy. I really need to do my eyebrows. Maybe I'll do that later. Just gonna pop a little brow gel on. Okay. I should put some mascara on so I don't look crazy. Bam. This is the look for today. We keeping it real basic, okay? I'm going to make me a matcha using my magic bullet because my hand frother broke. So this is just what we're gonna have to work with, okay? Okay, so for my matchas, I like to use some silk almond milk. We're gonna pour that in here. Kind of like to fill it up. I like to use the matcha powder things from Trader Joe's. Where's my scissors? And I also like to use this simple syrup from Target. If I don't use this, I usually use the sugar-free vanilla one, and just pour that in there. Put the lid on. You really don't need that long. Oh, why is it leaking? Whatever. I'm gonna use one of my Starbucks cups. Just pour this in here. Use my straw. Okay, so I'm gonna edit a video and then I'm going to check in with you guys once my consultation call comes. This video that I'm about to edit, I really hope I have enough content because I don't know what I'm gonna do. So we just gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. But first I need to resend her this Zoom link. So let me do that first. Okay, so let's get into my consultation PDF that I've created that's been working for me, and I feel like eventually I'm going to make some more tweaks to it, but I'm going to show you a blank one just because I want to keep her information private. So for the PDF, I have all their personal information. I also like to get their ID information so I can see what they look like. Wedding day is very important just to make sure that I'm available. And I also need to know like where their location will be at, the prep location, time of the ceremony, and how many people need their makeup done in addition to the bride. So I also like to ask what is the bride's perfect look that she has in mind, so I know if we're also a good match from that standpoint. And then I like to just ask some personal questions so I can get to know them a little better, as well as things about the wedding, such as the color theme, the style of their dress. And then for this particular consultation, she did add in there that her ideal look is to have a similar look as Meghan Markle when she got married, as also as a woman named Sarah Hyland, which I need to look her up really quick so that I know, is she similar to Meghan, or is there something different from Meghan's makeup that she likes about Sarah's makeup, which I will also still ask her about that as well. So we're gonna do that. Her information is already filled out, so I am basically ready for her when I do talk to her at like 1 o'clock, and then I could just edit from there up until my appointment time, well, consultation time. So I have about 2 hours to edit some footage before my consultation starts. Hi, Stacy.
Hi, Capri. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. Is that how you pronounce your name, Capri?
Yes. Okay, you guys, so the bridal preview went well. That was easy. I think it's because I have my bridal preview stuff like down packed now, because the first 2 years, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I didn't know what I was doing. That's why I didn't promote bridal anyway. It's like me still trying to figure out if that's something that I wanted to do, or if I can make it work. And essentially I decided that I can make it work. Bridal is actually fun when it's a good bride in an amazing bridal party. You do have some that you like, but long as you handle yourself professional, it all works out. You let them know who the boss in a sense. So I'm happy about that. So I'm gonna send her her contract and retainer, and then we just go on from there. So I will check back in with you guys. Let me get this information out to her first, make sure everything is correct. I don't want her to have to send anything back. So yes, I will see you guys in a little bit. Come on, put it on. Good girl. Go. Hello, you guys. It's the next day. After I sent my bride her contract and invoice, I was nervous. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm so scared. I hope she do not eat my contract up, as in saying it's a lot of incorrect things, because she is a lawyer. But I did pay a pretty penny for that contract. It was not cheap. So hopefully it's good. But anyways, after that, I edited a little bit. I ate me a piece of puff and fries, and I took a nap. And then I looked up and it was 7 o'clock. I tried to work on my video some more, but I was overthinking it. So I was like, let's just call it a night. So that's what we did. I got up this morning, did my routine, and I recorded a foundation review. How y'all think my skin look right now? It looked good, okay? I ain't wore a full face of makeup in I don't know how long, but I'm actually feeling this. So I might have to do this a little bit more often. So I did that, but I am about to pack up so we can head to the coffee shop so I can just be in a different environment and just work. So that's what we're about to do. I'm gonna charge this camera up just a little bit more before I go, but that is the plan for today. And I got some packages so we can open those up. But yeah, I will see you guys when we get to the coffee shop. Hello, hello, hello. It has been an eventful, 5 hours since I last talked to you guys. My computer was giving me all types of trouble today. I know it's time for a new one, but let me save my money first, okay? And then I've been looking for music for my video that's supposed to go up today. I don't know if that's gonna happen because I don't want to upload it too late. That's my only thing. So I'm gonna keep looking for music, but let's open up my packages. One for sure I'm super excited about. Open this up. Hold on. Open this up. Look at that. Bam. Do y'all see that? I bought 3 of them. Okay. Well, one is originally for my mom for her birthday next month because she was like, I like vanilla. Why you didn't get me one? So she don't know that she got one. She don't watch my videos. So this is her birthday present. And then I only bought myself 2 more because I already have 2. One that I'm using. But it smells so good, and then it's just so thick. And then if you guys didn't cop the holiday one, oh baby, you missing out. It smells so good. It smells so good. Okay. Now the only thing that's been going on with the one I'm using is that the packaging, the inner part keeps popping out. So it's just like, they need to get that together because if these are limited scents, it shouldn't be able to pop out like that, okay? And then this next one from Amazon, I didn't get nothing important. That's my grandma tea. I got the sheet mask for my clients for the week. I like this one. It's by Medi Heal. It is the NMF intense hydrating mask. It has hydrating, tightening, and refining properties. It has a lot of hyaluronic acid in it too, so that's another reason why I like it. And it's a cotton sheet mask, so you just lay it on there. It's very cool and refreshing. But that's literally all I got. I need to figure out what it is that I'm going to be eating, because your girl is starving, okay? Starving. Yes, Kelly. It's not food. It's not food. Yeah. They so greedy. Only my dogs though. Every time they think they hear something, they think it's food automatically. Like, it's not food. Relax. But yep, that is pretty much the end of this vlog. I just need to finish and get my video up. That's all I'm really worried about right now. So I will see you guys in the next video, and that's it. Toodles. But don't my skin look good? Hold on, don't my skin look good? She look good, okay? But yes, I will catch you guys in the next video.